How to create wallet in Robinhood. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create wallet in the Robinhood app. Let's get started. First, open Robinhood app on your mobile device. Click on Get Started. Now click on Create a new wallet. To add a layer of security, you have two options: use biometrics or create a custom PIN. For this tutorial, I will click on Create Custom PIN. Now I will create my PIN. Confirm your PIN again. To back up your wallet, you have two options: back it up to Google Drive or back it up manually, or you can skip this step. I will turn notification later, so I will click on maybe later. Your wallet is ready. Now click on Let's Go. That's it. You have successfully and easily created wallet in Robinhood app.